Hi guys, it's Elissa at Moat Cottage and today we're making rose lemonade. This is another way to use your lemons if you're lucky enough to have a lemon tree. Also, it's a good way to use rose petals if you have rose bushes. So long as you don't spray them with chemicals or poisons or anything like that, they're fine to use in this recipe. I've got 4 cups of boiling water in this jug and I'm going to add 1 cup of caster sugar. We'll mix that in and get it dissolved. Next, I'm going to add the rose petals. Now, it depends on the colour you want as to what rose petals you use, but I just check them to make sure there's no little bugs on them, and I tear them up a little bit and just drop them in the water like that. These are old roses and they have a fabulous fragrance. The darker rose bush I actually took a cutting from an old farm years and years ago, and I still grow it now, and I still take cuttings from that now to make more plants. Okay, that should be enough. Then all we do is add in our lemons. I'll be leaving the recipe below, so if you want to make it yourself, check that out. The acid in the lemons actually brings out the colour in the flowers so that it gives it a lovely pink colour. When you've got all the lemons in, give it a good mix and let that sit for a couple of minutes. With a sieve, we just sieve it in. Rose lemonade is a beautiful pink colour, depending obviously on the roses you use. Let's have the taste test. Ah, yum, that is so nice. This is still warm. I enjoy it warm. And of course you can put it in the fridge to chill it, get it nice and cold, serve it with ice blocks on a nice hot day. And there you have rose lemonade. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.